Hi, welcome to Style Oasis. I am Dion, and on this channel we talk about fashion, style, beauty, a little bit of luxury sprinkled into there. So if you are all about that, sit back, relax, let's chat, let's become friends. So you guys, some of you guys might remember me. I used to do YouTube a long time ago. I stopped doing it. I missed it a ton. So I'm back. Simple as that. So because I've been gone for so long, I used to do tons of hauls. Since I've been gone for so long, guys, I decided I need to come back with a bang. So today's video is going to be, it's not a haul, but it is an unboxing. It is a luxury unboxing, and it is a Chanel unboxing, a double unboxing. So I will be unboxing not one, but two Chanel bags. These are my first Chanel bags. I have other luxury bags in my collection, none Chanel. So these are the first two. So I am excited. Yes, guys, I'm excited to see what Miss Coco has to offer me today. So we are going to just jump right on into this thing. Let me tell you a little bit about the bags first before we go ahead and open them up. Guys, I have not opened these. I got both today. I got them earlier today, but I wanted to wait before I unbox them so that I could do it with you guys. The only thing that I did was just cut the tape off of the boxes so that I'm not spending half the video trying to rip off this tape. Both bags are pre-loved. I purchased both of them from eBay. I initially was looking on Fashion File because I purchased other luxury bags off of there before, and so I was looking on Fashion File initially, but I couldn't find the one that, you know, just gave me what I needed. So I went to eBay, which I purchased other bags off eBay before as well. One of the bags, though, I purchased through a program that eBay does. They have an authentication program on eBay. So basically, some sellers send their bags. What happens? You purchase it, the seller sends the bags to eBay first, they authenticate it, and then once they do that, they ship it to you. So I did that with one of the bags. They have been authenticated through eBay. The second bag I purchased, it wasn't through that program on eBay, but I purchased it from a seller that I trust, that I have purchased from before. I have other bags I purchased from this seller, and they were A-okay. They were good to go. So enough chit chat. Let's see what I got, guys. Let me pull the first one out. This is the box. Okay. Like I said, I have cut the tape off the box. But let's see what is inside. You guys, I'm excited. I've been wanting a Chanel bag for I don't know how long. I wanted a boy bag at one point, then I changed my mind and I wanted a classic flap. I looked for the right classic flap forever, but I knew I was going pre-owned, pre-loved, because Chanel in boutique and store is crazy. Prices are insane, especially with the price increases that they've done in 2020 and 2021. No, we weren't doing that. We're not doing that. So pre-loved it is. That is what we did, and let's see how it turned out. Hopefully this is a happy unboxing. Of course, you know, I've inspected the bags online, but it's only so much that you can see online. You know, of course, it's not like seeing the bag in person. So hopefully, guys, hopefully it's good. All right, that's enough. I can't wait anymore. Do you guys, anybody have any guesses on what this first one is? I'll wait. Okay. I'm excited. I can't wait anymore. I am excited. All right, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. So, open the box. She comes in some bubble wrap. I can get it out. Oh, okay, here we go. I'm like pulling the bubble wrap apart as I'm pulling it out the box. So she comes in this bubble wrap, and the seller just left their card. Nina Fur Vintage Boutique is the seller that I got this from. Yeah, that's their card. So you can see Nina Fur Vintage Boutique. Let's go ahead and do away with that bubble wrap. Okay, so she does come with a Chanel box. The box is in pretty decent condition, considering this is a, you know, pre-loved vintage item. She's a little beat up, you know, she's a little beat up in the corners, that's okay. You know, we expect that. We are just happy that she even comes with a original Chanel box, right? So yeah, that's fine. Let's go ahead and open her. Let's open her. Okay, here we go. She comes in a dust bag. We have our Chanel dust bag. Again, Nina Fur Vintage has their little card. Anybody know what this bag is yet? Looking at the size and the shape. Let's open her. Okay. Yes, you guys. Yes. Let me take a moment to inspect her. Let me make sure that it is what is this little something? Oh no, it's just like a piece of lint. Okay. She looks gorgeous. I don't see like any corner wear or anything. Yeah, she looks gorgeous. So yes, this is the bag. It is this I think it's the Timeless Classic CC Vanity, I believe it's called, and she is in patent, and she comes with the little CC zipper pull and just a little handle bag. She doesn't have a strap or anything, so this one you're gonna carry like this, which is fine. I have plenty of crossbody and shoulder bags, so this is something different in my collection. Oh, that zipper is like butter. Okay, let's see. Let's open her up. Yeah, so the inside is just like leather, maybe like a lambskin. It feels like maybe. And then she just has the Chanel writing right there. And then on the inside, you guys probably can't see, but it says made in France, and it's just, you know, just a vanity case there. But she is beautiful. Yes, you guys, she is beautiful. She is everything that I needed. She is what I wanted. I am pleased. I am pleased, guys. Yes. Okay. Yes. I cannot wait to style her. We're gonna have a good time together. Welcome home. Okay. All right. She's giving it. I'm going to just sit her down, and let's get into the next one. The next one is a bit bigger. She's a bit bigger. So again, I have just cut the tape off of this one. So let's see what we actually have here. Okay. We have some bubble wrap. I'm gonna just go ahead and toss that. We don't need that. We don't need her. We don't need that. And let me pull her out. So she comes with an eBay dust bag. This is the one that was authenticated by eBay. So she comes with this nice eBay dust bag. I'm excited. This one is a pop of color, guys. Just a spoiler alert. The first one was black because I wanted just like a classic color, but then I wanted a pop of color, so this is our pop. All right, guys. Can you see the handles? Can you see the handles on this bag? Does anybody know what this is, judging by the handles? You see that gorgeous pink? Let's see the rest of her. Okay. All right, guys. Yes, this is her. This is the Chanel medallion tote. Yes, she is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And the caviar leather. And let me take a moment to inspect her and make sure that she is what she is supposed to be. She looks really good. The handles look really good on this. If you're familiar with this, you know that Chanel doesn't make these anymore, so if you're getting one, it's going to be pretty old. Sometimes the handles like flop to the sides, but this one, the handles are still sticking up on their own, so that is excellent. I don't see really, it's like a small little mark on the back. You guys probably cannot even see it here. She does have a little bit of corner wear, which I knew the seller did show that. So she has a little corner wear, but I'm okay with that. The medallion is in really good condition, no tarnishing, no yeah, it looks good. It looks perfect. No scratches or anything on the medallion. She has a little back pocket. And let me check the inside. The inside looks good, guys. It looks really good. It's just nice, that nice pink color, just like the bag. And we have this says eBay. So I'm gonna see, I'm guessing this is going to be the authentication card from eBay. Yes, authenticity guarantee, Chanel medallion. And then it just has eBay authenticity guarantee on the back. And then they give you this other little card here where it just says, here's to your new bag. Congratulations on your purchase. We're thrilled to deliver this beautiful handbag along with proof that it is the real deal. Your new edition has been meticulously authenticated so you can carry it with total confidence. Thanks for choosing eBay authenticity guarantee. So yes, thank you eBay. I appreciate it. Yes, guys, I am loving her. She is going to be a staple in my wardrobe. I can't get the cards back in there. There we go. So yes, these are my two new babies, my two new additions to my handbag collection. If you guys would like to see a total handbag collection, let me know down below and we can do that as the next video. If you like this video, guys, please like, comment, consider subscribing. Let's be friends. Why not? And yeah, these are everything to me. So let me know what you guys think about these bags. Do you like them? Would you have went with something different for your first two bags? What do you think? Let me know down below. Thank you so much, guys, for spending this time with me, and let's try and shoot for some weekly uploads. Bye.